Please understand, not only internationally, even in India, we are minority. Don't think we are majority. Statistics are not right. Understand? If you see all the psychologically converted and the cat on the wall population, already 50% is outside Hinduism. Another 20% is this Nadu Center Hinduism. Nadu Center means they do not know anything about Hinduism. We will eat in the kitchen also and restroom also. We will eat here also and there also. What is the problem? Yeah, all room only na eat. What is that? Understand that Nadu Center group 20%. Consciously people who are feeling we are Hindus and practicing Sanatana Hindu Dharma is less than 30%. Understand? This is my humble request to all practicing Hindus. Do not bother. Surely they will not be in poverty. It is time we decide to give birth left and right. Left, right, center. At least one child a year. I am telling you, if we don't produce and groom consciously practicing Hindus, I don't even want to even imagine. If we don't know, it is going to be disaster. Understand? It is going to be disaster. We Hindus are still sleeping, thinking, oh, Sanatana Hindu Dharma cannot be destroyed. What foolish talk. See, 200 years before, from Gandhar to Malaysia, from Gandhar to Malaysia, Gadaram. Understand? From Gandhar to Cambodia, 200 years, even 200 years before. See, Gandhar and Cambodia, all those civilizations flourished 1000 years before. But till 200 years before, Sanatana Hindu Dharma was practiced as a lifestyle from Gandhar to Cambodia. Now where? Not even Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Kanyakumari is gone, Kashmir also gone. It's between Arakkonam and Varanasi. Understand the way we shrunk. From Gandhar to Gadaram, shrunk. It is now only between Arakkonam to Varanasi. Neither above Varanasi nor below Arakkonam. And don't be in the fantasy. Sanatana Hindu Dharma cannot be touched. It is there, Sanatana. If you listen to me, it will be Sanatana. Understand? It is a very serious subject. Fundamentally, Hindus, 99% are Grihasthas. Only 1% is sannyasis. Let that 1% sannyas live the sannyas life. And 99% produce. See, I will say unabashedly, give birth to 20 children. Now, I will say unabashedly, understand, you are not realizing the danger in front of you. Give birth to 20 children, bring them up, at least give 10 to Gurukul. Please understand, world can be saved only by Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Sanatana Hindu Dharma can be saved only by the Gurukul. Gurukul can be saved only by the married couples of Hinduism. It is time we take this very seriously, expand practicing Hindu population. Understand, very important thing is, the practicing Hindu population is dwindling literally in a speed, an extraordinary rapid speed. How they claim fastest growing religion, I should say, as on now, fastest dying religion is Hinduism. Understand, we can't afford this. We cannot afford this. We need to do something very strong and very important. The practicing Hindus number need to be increased. And teachers for teaching, acharyas of Hinduism need to be created. It is possible only by Gurukul. Gurukul need to be populated only by Grihasthas. So I will strongly recommend, as long as you are a Grihastha, one child a year. When you are not able to do that, take Vanaprastha Sannyasa. Whoever is practicing Hindu, who cares about Hinduism, listen to my words. We are already minority. We are in danger. Extinction is happening too fast, too rapid. Understand the speed with which we are getting extinct is already, I tell you, many of our small indigenous sampradayas are dead. Many of our indigenous sampradayas are dead. You don't know. When I was born, 39 years before, the sampradayas which were alive, many of them are not practiced now. They are not alive. I have seen some of the very powerful sampradayas, indigenous traditions dying in front of my eyes. They are no more practiced. Those great spiritual giants are no more alive. The traditions are no more alive. I have understand. Already lot of indigenous Hindu traditions are dead. If we are reducing, shrinking the number of practicing Hindus, whatever is now remaining, that few things, like a Shanmata, Vedanta, little Agama, I don't know how long all these will be alive. I know how the traditions used to flourish. Now, how it's drying down. It is time all practicing Hindus, only practicing Hindus are going to listen even to my satsang, what I am saying. So if you are listening to this, if you are sympathetic towards Hinduism, if you are a practicing Hindu, make more and more human beings live, practice Hinduism. That's all.